Ebusuafo memo bibia kwaba de bajen CN page so midin e de adwoa searching. Efia Schwarzenegger ne fans e na omo e kasa kire ni na ensem a efia ne fans e kan na ne se nkabeya efia emfa Mezbel ne bone emfa nche no because ewiase mu de bone cha na wo mfa ahwe enche nti sister efie enkoto sre e na omo de so omo kotodwegu fam se fa Mezbel ne bone eche no na de nti a efia Schwarzenegger ne fans e kasa na ne se Endra audio bi e ba out eye na we ni spokesperson e na obekasa e wa bra and the Dusty eye no interview na interview ni mu e na we e de etudwa se Mezbel United Showbiz okotena yo ka se na we eye fraud no ade ahomu yie papa na omo enye fraud ejampa se okonfo no na oyare e da hospital afenso omo follow case na efia Schwarzenegger na odile omo command letter ma wamba omo afre Mezbel krasen ka omeme geniska nti omo nim de nti Mezbel ekotena UTV TV kesisi amanfo bebre ehwe omo kokasa amana asem na ha omo yie papa entindra omo ye omo interview na we ni spokesperson interview ka say Mezbel no kra wamba ho so de efia no ho asem na eba na emum no oba senka oba be kese efia Schwarzenegger ho sem aye bebre na adofo ye beka ya Mezbel United Showbiz Nana Ama Mark Brown na o host program no na Mezbel din sem bi atudwa say 2020 yesimi onpe beef onpa bodin keke bia onpe ntuko bia onpe he na so minda say o chena say into the efia Schwarzenegger akona we ho because omo anya beef omo fadanfo na omo danfo fa ne mu atete na ntokwa si omo ntema na ntokwa no we tubi ma ne we ne we ato bia ma ne we na omo atwa so na so anytime bia efia Schwarzenegger be ye video bia obo no Mezbel ne din Mezbel so on pesa because 2020 wanyi nya fe no ne mofra ba be kokon nti ode asem no na we ho so omo nke bi enfama no Mezbel chese our lawyers too anko betu dia komo but nya de be ye ntem nti no de kodan gafo so omo nka asem ne bi emomo no gan penifo so omo nka asem ne bi emomo no na efia Schwarzenegger so by United Showbiz ono so by yam bisa ne say Mezbel betena aka say na say na wanya let bia na efia say no hell no me un me efia so ne tu no e me nya let bia then na Mezbel san so call United Showbiz no koka say o clear ne ho okosama obi ema na we fo mo je ni 2000 Ghana cedis no mo andi asem no echi bio enti no mo ye fraud omo adi ni sika ansan so andi asem na echi no ofra omo se okonfro be ka asem no da hospital Mezbel se ono de don't ask no class okonfo a wo ye okonfro san so koda hospital enti na ye fraud omo adi ni sika enti man obi anje na wende na ena efia Schwarzenegger de reply by obesre Mezbel na Endra na we ni spokesperson be kasa say nsema Mezbel de betu dwa no eyade aha omo papa say Mezbel abetena TV so egu omo animase na wanfa afia kra mba so omo enkosamai Mezbel na emum ne Mezbel ba ho sorry Mezbel wanfa afia mba so omo enkosamai no na emum no ode afia ba ho say omo enkese no na Mezbel so be yina no se da binye sa na asem no ete na nsem ya ekoso na efia Schwarzenegger ne fans omo Instagram follow ne che sister efia fa asem che wo de asem cha na enye hwe fa Mezbel ne bone eche no ye ntie nsem a efia ne fans no e de etudwa we eye akosua sapoma na oche say sister please in the name of God forgive Mezbel and let her explain herself to you so that those ones who want to destroy your friendship will be shamed. I really love to see you guys together and I love you both so much. And if you have a man reply no chese, one can say wo yare, wo bodam. When so kwatin na ochese. If you try as much as you can to forgive Mezbel, forgive her wholeheartedly. Release your pain no matter what. Never talk evil about her. Reverend Obi always talk about genuine forgiveness, and trust me, you won't regret you did. Okay, may God of Mopa have mercy on us and keep us safe till we meet him. Amen. Inti efia fans say fa Mezbel ne bone eche no.
No. Onkoye ni yi o. Obi obaje oba onko tete ni yi. What you say? Ne can't see biem. can't say when you allow a 14 years boy, a 15 years boy to drink Smirnoff Ice, which is alcoholic, are you doing good to that child? Are you doing good to that child? Sa kwalani di 18 na die no obeye. Sa kwalani di 18 na die na sa kwalani obeye. We should be bia. It was a way as a young girl to raise your own children. Do it. Me awani na ye peduma na fa wonsa ye. Madam, uton nsu a unye kurasi ni o uton nsu a. Let me just remind you something. Mama men kai mu bibi ketuwa bi. Me ame papa say Kwame Despite. He is, if not the richest man in Ghana. He is one, if not the richest man in Ghana. Today I came to remind you that Dr. Osei Kwame Despite. Wayeden otonchine. You two iodidated salts. Eyene dia. Otonchine. Na wo wade ya wusu ntimi ntonchine. Wo wade. Wo wade ya wusu ntimi ntonchine. Dr. Osei Kwame Despite. Oton enchine. He sells salt. Fa wonsa ye adwuma na ye adwuma wuda. Uye adwuma wuda. Dr. Oforisapon specialize here on the 30 year. Ensure. Why the would catch Dr. Oforisapon? Otonsio. And no pepe casa chirawajine. Otonsio. Obi humia. And I want to be your mommy. And I want to be your mommy. Me and my children, we've been homeless before. Me and my children, I said it several, we've been homeless before. And if your mommy is homeless today, it doesn't mean she'll be homeless forever. If you don't have it today, it doesn't mean you will not have it. Me, I'm strongly against Obidineba. Na Ujana, no. Ekurawa. Hey, una ukurawa dio. Una atiana wote. Una okasa na wote. Una abetimi aka wono kure achire no. And young ladies, we should learn to cut our coats. First, you need to cut your coat according to your size. Obi want a size and a switch any coat, no. So now there you cut your coat according to your fabric. Or fabric and then swan. Now a panjarabia, no what's nasty. This generation more pray. May start cancer subium. Raise your kids. Do something. A yen pa. A ye one seed in pa. It's your hard-earned money. When you read the Bible, say, and so whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. That is you have to do something. What is it? Bible class, whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. They like don't baby and shiraba so. That is it. I was so weird baby. I was so weird baby. I was so don't say a ye baby and jawu back and fan koma will be emanin seno. What I say? And jawu back and fan koma will be emanin seno. Emanin seno. Because a bass say ya, I did say ya. Ni nyamia memoir editing. Nyamia memoir editing. Me de dem be kan ya no no. Ko to amen komoso why? Dem be kan ya no no. Ko to amen komoso. Me sa kesi so. Obi de be jawa. Hweni ye. Titini ye. Me house girls grab no matter no. When they go, they come back. Mommy ya fiwo. Mommy ya fiwo. Mommy, we want to come and spend Christmas with you. Mommy, we want to come home. Why? Because in this house, we raise heroes. and champions by the grace of God. Obi dinadi ejawa hwesuye. Ush obi ade suye ebeye wo dia. That is for a fact. So obi dinadi ma na hwesuye, you end up owning it. You own it with no stress. You own it with no stress. What you say? Nyamisha mo what? Na omo mo ho ban what? Na onfa oja enhwe atamfo. Ene nkwasiafo. Nyame ema adom ene kese ewo moso. Na bronya yi asima make adwene ho na nesi pa adwuma bi ye what? Pa adwuma bi eye what? Uye adwuma hu pa adwuma ye fansa ye adwuma den what? Na ko anim what? Yeah, bye bye. Me de nchaka sienso feel gone. Ebrem.